Hey guys, it's Sally's from Sally's Solutions, and today I want to talk about um, beginning bakers. So I like to bake, but I just do the really simple basic things. So I went onto Amazon and I ordered a couple of different bakery books. This is the Beginner's Baking Bible. I love how this is set up. It divides the recipes out by different categories, such as let's see, there's one for cookies, brownies and bars, pies, tortes, quiches, quick breads and muffins, cakes and cupcakes, bread and biscuits, and then there's a whole section for measurement conversions. And there's also a section at the front that tells you like what essentials you'll want if you're going to be turning your kitchen into a baking kitchen. The other book I got is Tasha Holmes' Ultimate Baking Cookbook. They also have similar sections, and they all talk about the beginning baking essentials. So, and what's fun is the one book put them down into must-have and then would like to have. So the must-haves would be baking sheets, baking pans, and a pie dish. What would be nice to have is a bundt cake pan and a tart pan, which would be a 9 or 10 inch round with fluted edges and a removable bottom. Okay. Then you would move into your tools and utensils. Some of these I already have, and some of them they gave me some tips on. So dry measuring cups, and they said to use metal because mine are plastics. I'll probably order some metal ones, but they plastic little particles can stick to it, and then it can just get kind of nasty. That's the best way to put it. And then they recommend 1 glass liquid measuring cup. So if you've ever tried to measure liquids in regular cups and you're just kind of eyeballing what it is, it's much better to use the glass liquid measuring cup. You'll get a more accurate measure. And then mixing tools. Again, here they said mixing bowls and metal is best. Oh, I forgot one. No, this is still in the tools, utensils. Measuring spoons, those they also recommend metal or glass. I've never seen glass measuring spoons. Have any of you? Mine are, of course, for plastic, so I'm going to be upgrading. Okay, so then a silicone spatula, a wire whisk, a cooling rack, a wooden rolling pin, and then the other things, as I said, would be nice to have a parchment paper or a silicone baking mat, a cookie scoop. Have you guys ever used those where you scoop it and then it has a little handle on the side that you squeeze so your cookies are all the same size? And the last thing they recommend is a Microplane Rasp Grater. I'm clueless on that one, so I'm going to have to research that one. And then it goes to appliances, and so the one appliance that this says you want to have is a handheld mixer, but it's really nice to have a food processor as well as a stand mix. So most people think of KitchenAid for the stand mixers. Cuisinart offers one. Pampered Chef has a great one. So those are the appliances. And then I'll do this in another video. We'll go through the essential ingredients that you want to have in your kitchen, because when you're baking and your recipe calls for something and you go to get it and you don't have it, that just totally throws off your day. You might have to run to the store. You might have to place an order for a grocery place to deliver those items to you. So this is like your basic things that you want to have, because almost all recipes will call for some of these. And I will cover those in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you can continue to receive videos from Sally's Solutions with beginning baking tips and recipes. Thank you. Bye.